The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. Operational tactical and dummy aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 6 Ukrainian command posts near Verkhnekamenskoye, Bakhmutskoye, Artyomovsk and Ugledar in Donetsk People's Republic, Pavlovka in Zaporozhye region and Blagodarovka in Nikolaev region, as well as 52 artillery units at their firing positions, 143 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 5 missile artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Seversk, Avdiivka and Shevchenko in Donetsk People's Republic, Novoalexandrovka in Zaporozhye region and Berezhnegavatoye in Nikolaev region. 2 storages of fuel for the Ukrainian armed forces have been destroyed near Dnepropetrovsk and Pavlograd in Dnepropetrovsk region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 MiG-29 of Ukrainian Air Force near Belaya Krynytsa in Kherson region. Air defense facilities have destroyed 6 unmanned aerial vehicles near Nikolaevka in Lugansk People's Republic, Petrovskoye, Valerianovka, Kodema in Donetsk People's Republic, Chervony Yar and Milovoye in Kherson region. Moreover, 6 projectiles launched by US-manufactured HIMARS MLRS near Kazatskoye, Otrado-Kamenka, Chervoneye Pody and Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region, as well as 3 HARM anti-radar missiles near Antonovka in Kherson region. In addition, 1 .U ballistic missile has been shot down over Vysokoye in Kherson region. In total, 318 airplanes and 159 helicopters, 2,188 unmanned aerial vehicles, 379 air defense missile systems, 5,604 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 866 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,462 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,463 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.